writing those demos recently, trying to get away from the moodier Cynthia stuff. So I brought tempo up, tried some new grooves. I've gone for this beat. So it's quite busy, but I just wanted loads of groove, and it's just a demo for now, so you can take all that stuff out, but we'll chuck that in now with the bass. Now, I am absolutely no bass player at all, so I've got some friends that play bass, and I'll probably get one of them on that. But you know, you're just trying to get the progression down on the synth, more Portman. So I'm absolutely obsessed. So this is the Juno Boutique doing that. I absolutely love those big spacey chords, and that's been sent to good old Valhalla, which is down there. It's nice and simple settings, but I absolutely love the sound of it. And then in the verse, we come down with more chorus guitars and this kind of stuff. Going in to the fight, you break me down, baby, that's alright. We've got the synth going on there. Some of these guitars going. Came in with this fuzz pedal, which I think I've got actually, yeah, on the Killy Fuzzbender, which I've been trying to use a lot again, just going straight into the preamp as a DI, and you get this kind of sound. It all fall down, fail every time, but and then yeah, a lot of that's going through this Juno 60 pedal, which is exactly the same. Well, it's supposed to be the same as the Juno Boutique. Again, I'm not sure where you can see that, but it's literally got two settings and that's it. So there's nothing to tweak or muck around with, which is actually quite refreshing. So yeah, tying it all together, it's really rough. That vocal is massively auto-tuned just because I'm too lazy to get the final idea on first. And yeah, takes you in, and I think it's getting there.